That little incognito icon in your browser isn't a digital invisibility cloak, and relying on it could be a massive mistake. Today, we're peeling back the browser UI to reveal exactly what happens to your data when you go private, and why the reality is likely the opposite of what you expect. When you open an incognito or private window, your browser simply stops saving your local history, cookies, and site data to your hard drive. It's essentially a clean slate mode for the person physically using your computer. If someone borrows your laptop, they won't see your search history or your saved passwords. However, this is strictly a local feature. Your activity is still entirely visible to the websites you visit, your internet service provider, and even your employer or school network administrator. Think of it using a pen that automatically erases what you write on the paper, but you're still sitting in a room full of people watching you write it. Your ISP logs every domain you visit, even in incognito mode, because your traffic still has to pass through their servers to reach the internet. Advertisers are even smarter. They use a technique called browser fingerprinting. By analyzing your screen resolution, installed fonts, and device settings, they can identify your device even without a traditional tracking cookie. Here's the truly counterintuitive part. Some websites can detect that you're using an incognito window and may intentionally block your access to force you into logging in. Furthermore, if you download a file or bookmark a page while in incognito, those files remain on your computer long after you close the tab. You think you're hidden, you're just working in a blind spot that leaves you more exposed than you realize. Stick around, because next we'll look at the tools that protect your identity. To recap, incognito mode only hides your activity from people physically touching your device, not from the massive web of networks monitoring your traffic. Privacy requires encryption and masking, not just a cleared cache. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that button and subscribe for more digital safety tips. What's one privacy tool you use instead of incognito? Let me know in the comments below.